Hello, dear friends. Welcome to this very important and very interesting session. Google has a very powerful ecosystem, and I would say Google has everything when it comes to digital marketing. Yes, it has everything. So, for example, you are looking for email marketing. Email marketing. Email marketing has email marketing has cost per thousand users. You have to pay something. Then 1 lakh people, it is going to be very costly. 1 lakh, it is going to be it is going to be very costly. Big hole, big hole in your pocket, right? Now, next thing is talk about collaboration. So for this you need some kind of CRM or team software, and you need to pay. Then talk about email marketing, collaboration, then easy to be on the same page. Single email address feature is not available for free anywhere else. Then what else? Yeah, people can subscribe. People can subscribe to this. People can subscribe to this. It can help in your SEO. It is found in Google search if settings are proper. So as it is appearing in Google search, it is helping in your growing your personal brand, getting you more leads, more organic leads, can be used to resolve queries, at least general queries. So these are the major benefits of the tool I'm going to share with you. So this is blue ocean. Blue ocean means when you use this tool, you are in a very blue ocean, means you don't have to pay for features. So majorly there are very important features like email marketing, unlimited email marketing multiple times a day, collaboration, people can collaborate there, easy to be on the same page. It is related to collaboration. Single email address feature is not available for free anywhere else. People can subscribe to this. They can find it on Google search. It is helping you in your growing your personal brand. It is helping you getting you more organic leads, and it can be used to resolve queries. And I don't know how many more benefits are there of this. So what is this amazing thing? This amazing thing is Google Group. And no digital marketing coach and digital marketing leader is talking about this. Why? Because there is no affiliate commission. For Google Group. If you are recommending anyone Google Group, if I am sharing this information with you, first of all, there is no monetary benefit. And I am not getting any affiliate commission if you are going to use this, because Google is not giving me any affiliate commission. Actually, Google is giving you this for free. So there is no scope of commission. Okay, so this is Google Group. Now let me show you my Google Group. You just type in Google Sunil, Suniltams Google Group. Oh, this is the first result. Suniltams Google Groups, first one. Okay, so all the email interactions I am using with my community, they all are here, and 764 people are there, and I can add at least 100 people every day. So I can add 100 people every day, and unlimited people can join me. That's not a problem. So if you are looking for very important, critical, useful digital marketing tips, just join this Google group. Suniltams Google group, you can easily find in Google, and there are 764 people. Okay, so this number can grow depending on your personal brand or email database or your depending on your efforts. I mean, if I get 100 people every day, I can have 3,000 people in a month. But you know, people forget, and that is something not easy. So, but yes, if you are consistent, you can have 3,000 people in month and 36,000 people in year. So 36,000 is a great number, and people can join you. I mean, if people are finding this, they can join you, like they join your Facebook group, like they join your, like they follow you on Facebook in the same way. But Facebook and um, Facebook groups and Facebook profile, LinkedIn profile, they are not providing this benefit. What is the benefit? I can click on new conversation. So this is test conversation to check Google group feature. Hey, good morning. This is just a test email for my lecture on Google Groups. Yes. So what is the benefit? The benefit is that this email will get recorded here, and all these people, 764 people, will get an email, and they can reply to all, reply to author. They can forward it. So this is a very good ecosystem. Not only this, one more feature is there. Access management. So access management, how it is done, that for example, you have a video on YouTube in your channel, and you want to share that video only with these people. This group has one email ID, that is suniltams@justwire.com. So I can share that video with this email ID, and all the people who are in this group, they will be having access to this video. So as of now, there are no videos particularly in this Google Workspace. But yes, if I share any video with this email ID, only these 74 people will have access to that email. Nobody else. Even they share the link with each other, they other people will not be able to watch it. I mean, they can download it with tricks and tips, hacks. That is another thing. But generally, people cannot find and watch the video. Only the people in this group can watch. So this is amazing. You can grow this Google group to any number, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, and you can send them multiple messages per day. No cost for email marketing. No cost. In ConvertKit, for example, if you have 1,000 subscribers, you are paying 2,000 INR. And if you have more subscribers, then you have to pay more. In the same manner, you have to pay for every tool. ClickFunnels, MailChimp, ConvertKit, Gmass, or any other tool. But this is absolutely free with lots of features. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At least 9 premium features are there, and this is awesome. So start using Google Group today to talk with your community, to update your community, to resolve queries of your community. Okay, and you can have many groups. For example, I have 10 people in very different course, so I can create a different course, different group. For example, this is for admins, for the admins of Just Bazaar. This group, this is for one particular group, Blue Ocean. This is for fast track digital marketing students, and this is for something else. This is for Just Bazaar, another purpose, and this is for Suniltams Guruji Digital Empire, the students who are enrolled in this course. This group is for the Suniltams Guruji Internship Program applicants, and this group is for Success Mastery group, and this group is for my English students, Temps Studies at JustBazaar.com. So different groups to give different accesses to people and to manage the different things. But the main group is general group is Suniltams Guruji, and I just created it on 4th September 2021, and I have 764 people. I'm lazy, but I would have grown it to any number. So I can simply go to somewhere, 1 minute, spot. I can go here and I have data. I can add 100 email IDs every day. Okay, so below you can see the count. 100, I think 100, 115 we cannot. I'm not sure about that. Feature may depend person to person. Okay, so I have copied, and now I am going to add group members. Okay, add. Okay, so these people are already added. This is the problem. Let me try to add some other people here. Let me think about it. Whom I can add. So I have this data and I am trying to just use for sample. So just for sample, I am trying to do this. So I got it. So 90 people I have taken from here, and I'm trying to add here in the group. So there is one more problem. We can try adding people only once. I mean, I have already tried once. That is why it is not allowing me. So these are few limitations, but you can always try doing adding people. But people can join. They can simply join. That there is no limit to that. So let me try to add from another email ID. Another admin can add or not. I'm just trying to show you. So this email ID is also admin to this group. This email ID. Okay. Okay, so I can make this person owner of the group. Now let's go here. Go to members, add members. So I'm just trying it for the first time, adding people from different email ID by making the email ID owner. So if it is successful, then we can, oh my God. So group, actually the limit is applicable to the day group, not to the email ID. Okay then, no problem. So it is applicable for one day. You can try adding once per day and you can add at least 100 people. And if you want to more than Google group policy, you can read Google group policy. How to configure Google, no, sorry, 1 minute, Google groups. Yes, understand groups policies and limits. Here you can study much more, and if you find something additional, please let me know. Please let me know. Message and posting limits, group creation, join request, invitations, membership limits related to trial accounts. So all these things you can read, and please let me know. The video is long but detailed, and I have tried to do everything in front of you, and I have shared the features with you. Email marketing, unlimited, collaboration, unlimited, free. Subscribe. People can find it on SEO, grow your personal brands, getting you more organic leads, can be used to resolve query, general queries, access management. These are some premium features of the Google groups. Please let me know if you are finding it precious, and if you think that I have done a great job here, then you can feel free to refer people to me for learning digital marketing. You can go to learn.suniltams.com. You can sign up here. Then you will have an option on the left bottom to become my partner. After becoming a partner, you will be having a section called affiliate, and from affiliate section you can get affiliate links to these courses. And I would like to suggest you that Fast Track Digital Marketing, SG Digital Empire, and SG Platinum Club. These three, and SEO. Yeah, SEO. How can I forget? So these four courses are very high quality courses, and they are in high demand. So if you are selling these courses, you can make good affiliate money. And I have created a separate video on affiliate money. Make good affiliate money. You can find it on my YouTube channel, Suniltams Guruji. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.